Ilai.
Oh, okay. Koduna Milandi. Okay, good. I see.
Hi, this is the team of Homes NYC. We are here to present ourselves so you get to know each and every one of us. You have different nationalities, different languages. I'll let each and everyone present themselves to you. Let's start with Ryan Ali.
السلام عليكم، اسمي ريان علي. لو عاوزين تشتروا بيت في نيويورك ولا نيوجيرسي اريا اتصلوا بينا ونحن حنساعدكم.
Nike ntole Mamadou Aliou Balde na yi ya fe ka bon sara albisan kila ambese ya mademe na la bon soro
won wali ngale ne Maria Balde mon na New York City ne hawa mabangai sarafe bon ali mono mo malide. Merci.
Hola, soy Nelly Jurado y estoy aquí para ayudar. Nosotros somos expertos en todas las áreas de Nueva York.
Hi, I'm Anita Khan. Are you looking to buy, sell, or rent a home? We are here to help you at Home NYC. Come, give us an opportunity to help you. We make great
Bonjour, mon nom c'est Ibrahim Ba de Homes NYC Group. On est là aujourd'hui pour vous dire tout simplement que si vous cherchez des maisons à acheter ou bien à vendre ou bien des locations, des chambres, tout ce que vous voulez, nous sommes là pour vous aider. Homes NYC, c'est la raison pour laquelle nous sommes là, pour la communauté. C'est pour vous dire tout simplement que n'hésitez pas de nous appeler parce qu'on est là pour vous aider.
On jarama, o team mo yidon do, ko team amen on ni, o yimi de mari ga language different, de mari culture different, but andi kadi sare ngen fulne. Kala mo fala sodugol, ma lugol, ma yegol nodde o équipe amen do ne wali toto. Jarama. Hi, this is Mamadou Barry from Homes NYC. The tax season is up again for 2021. If you are thinking about buying a house this year, 2021, you definitely want to talk to us, especially if you are a self-employed, so we can guide you through how you can file your taxes so the bank can approve your loan to buy a house. It doesn't matter if you're doing FHA loan, conventional loan, or Sharia loan. You have to file your taxes in a certain way so the bank will approve you to be able to buy a house in 2021. Contact us. We will put you together with our best CPAs so they can tell you how to file your taxes so the bank can approve you. Our contact is on this video. Thank you.
Welcome.
Yes, the mic is all yours.
Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. As we did last week broadcast, today again we are here with our special guest, Producing Bank branch manager of Cardinal Financing, Sean Stroh. He gonna tell us today how to qualify for a mortgage. And we also have Mr. Mamadou Bari, our broker, and Mariam Balde, our co-worker. So take it over, Sean. Tell us who you are and how long you've been doing this.
Hello, good afternoon, everybody. Again, thank you for the intro. I am Sean Sproul, branch manager for Cardinal Financial. I want to say thank you for having me here today and being able to talk to you guys and go over, what qualifications you're going to need to really purchase a home. First and foremost, I've been doing this for 22 years now, so I know all the tricks and everything to get things done and get it done right, and make sure if you're going to use us to buy your home that you guys are going to be very happy. First of all, when a bank looks to qualify you for mortgage, they're going to be looking at your credit, your income.
What's the mortgage first? Because we are in this broadcast, there's a lot of people that don't know what's a mortgage, what's a loan. Can you tell us what a mortgage is? Yeah.
So a mortgage is basically, a loan to purchase a home. Most mortgages are for 30 years, and you get a fixed rate, and you make a payment that would include your taxes and your insurance on the house. So that's what a mortgage is.
And what are the type of loan you have that is available?
I have all the loans on the market, every single loan on the market. You have your, conventional loans. Conventional loan is like, more for a client with very high credit score. And most, maybe if you're only buying a single family, that might be the great place for you. If you're buying a 2-family to 4-family, your 2-family, you're going to have to put at least 15% down. And if you want a 3 to 4 family, you have to put 20% down. Okay. Then you have FHE.
Primary residence?
Yes, primary and investment if you want, if they want to do an investment loan too. But yeah, primary residence. That's for primary.
And you said 10% down?
1 family, you could go as little as 3% down.
Okay.
2-family, 15%, and then 3 and 4 is 20% down, conventional. Then you have FHA. FHA loan, no matter what family, 1 family to 4 family, it's only 3.5% down. Doesn't matter.
Okay, I want you to back up a little bit from conventional because I want them to really understand, because you are saying 3.5% down. Like, what is that? Like,
okay, so 3% is conventional, like I said, for the 1 family. FHA is 3.5%.
Down payment. That's what you trying to say?
So I was gonna say, it means the percentage of down payment. So if you're buying $100,000 house, 3% down is $3,000.
Exactly.
That's basically what it comes down to. Okay. So yeah, FHA, we go down to as low as 580 credit score. So 580 and up is 3.5% down. 579 and below, you have to put 10% down. But you can still get a mortgage. We go down to 500. So no matter what, we're always here to get you any financing you need. If there's anybody on the call that's a veteran, if you ever served in the military, you can get 100% financing. You don't need no down payment.
Excuse me, can I interrupt a little bit? I think we are
Absolutely, my friend.
Yeah, I think we are having a technical issue because I haven't seen no one here, and it looks like our live is not connected for some reason. I don't know, Mariam, if you can get the chance to verify the live or I started, but I think we have an issue here with this.
Well, let me check on my Facebook then.
Okay, meanwhile, I'll play the marketing video while we check on the live, okay?
Okay.
Okay. The
I
live
don't think
is running.
I don't think we are live right now. Should I end
The
the
live
broadcast?
is running. The live is running. I just checked it on my Facebook. The only thing is it was private, it wasn't public. I
Oh,
don't
that's
know
the
in your
problem.
page
Because
what's
I don't
going
see
on.
I don't see nothing really. So we may, I don't
Okay.
know, something. You
Mine
see,
is running.
yeah,
Yeah, mine is running.
yeah, but you said it's on private, so that means we don't see anything. I don't know how
Yeah,
it
I just put it on public. So we can continue. It's all good.
Okay,
Mariam, did you see it?
Yes, it's running.
okay, go ahead. Okay, let's go. Let's move forward. Sorry
Okay.
about the interruption.
That's okay.
No
It was
worries.
private. Okay. So Sharon, we was talking about the FHA loan 580 credit score, and the down payment was what? For it's
3.5% is the minimum down payment for FHA. And you can do that with a score as low as 580. The better the score, the better your interest rate will be. That's the only difference. But FHA allows you to have lower credit scores, and they don't really penalize you a lot for it. So that's a good program for first-time home buyer. And like I said, if there was any veterans on the call, there's no down payment needed, and then there's also no PMI. PMI is mortgage insurance. That's an insurance policy on the loan to ensure the bank that, God forbid, you cannot make your payments, that the bank doesn't take a loss on you. So they force you to pay PMI if you're not putting 20% down. Some conventional loans, I have the option of waiving the PMI. I could waive it. I could do a lot of things with conventional, but again, that's for people with a little bit higher credit scores.
Okay. So if I understand, like the FHA loan, you can have a credit of 580, and then if you have 3.5% of the price of the house, let's say 1 million house, 3.5% of that is around
35,000.
35,000. So that person may be qualify for a loan.
Right, and then you also have the option to do seller's concessions too. I'll explain that as well. A seller concession is where because when you're buying a house, you have two things you have to worry about: down payment and closing costs. So the down payment, we just went over how that works, and then you have closing costs. A lot of time, closing costs are anywhere around 6% of the price of the house. So you have to worry about those two things. Sometimes you could put with negotiating, because you guys run such a great team that you guys, with some negotiating, sometime you could get a seller concession done as well. So to put some of the closing costs into the loan, or if you have your own money, even better.
Okay, great. So let's go back to conventional. Conventional, what's the credit score they're asking for? The minimum credit score.
Conventional starts at 620, but
Okay.
the PMI is very, very expensive. So normally I would put people into FHA because it's better for them. I like to do my conventional at least 680 and higher. But technically the program starts at 620.
And then they gotta put at least 3% down, and with the 6% closing costs.
Right. Correct.
Okay. So can you give us a scenario, because we have a lot of people that works for themselves, Uber and Lyft in our community, and then if someone is have a 1099 form and W-2, how they're gonna qualify for a single family house? Like, what's the best option for them? Like, is the couple, one has the W-2, the other one have a 1099, and they want to purchase the house this year.
Yeah, so they just putting the income together,
Mm-hmm.
Just like Mr. Barry said, that before you do your taxes this year, you consult with me and I'll help you to find out what you're looking to buy, and then I will give you go over the numbers that you would have to claim, especially for my self-employed people, what numbers you have to claim to qualify for one family, two family, whatever it is that you're looking to buy. That's really what it comes down to. So that's why we're telling people, do not do your taxes until you talk to the professional like myself.
Great. Okay. So, Mariam, do you have any question for Mr. Sean right now?
Not really. Hi, Sean.
Hello.
Uh,
Bye.
I think I spoke to you a few days ago with a
Mm-hmm.
client who's
Yeah.
still looking to put together documents and send them to you. But overall, I don't think I have any question for you right now.
So, like I said, the cover, I'll just keep talking though. Away from down payment and stuff, the things that banks look at to qualify you is your credit, number one,
Okay.
your income, and your money. Those are the three things, right? And then last but not least is going to be the property. We have to make sure the property is in good condition, or if it's not in good condition, another loan that I offer is a construction loan, a FHA 203K loan. How that works, you're buying a house for $1 million. Well, if it's $1 million house, it hopefully doesn't need work. But just in case something needs work, I can give you the money to buy the house, and you have to just get an estimate from a licensed contractor to do any work you want to do in the house, and we put everything together in one loan. For example, you're buying a house for $1 million, but you have $100,000 worth of repair. So instead of putting down payment 3.5% on $1 million, you're gonna put 3.5% on $1.1 million. Just a couple more bucks more that you're gonna need. But away from that, I structure it. I explain, how it all works. That the as the work gets done, the money is gonna be cut in phases. Little by little, so the contractor cannot run away with your money. And that's that. But otherwise, you can do construction on any house. Even you even saying, I want to get something a little cheaper, you can buy a fixer upper, that type of thing. If your credit score is not great when you come to me, I'm going to explain how to fix it.
Can't hear you.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know. Maybe his phone just froze. But for some reason, all the other accounts are not broadcasting. It's just yours, I suppose. I don't know how you manage.
Yeah, I was trying to see on my page if
Yeah,
I
yours
could
didn't.
see it running. I was trying
Mariam, yours
to.
didn't let me put it on, but Mr. Barry and the other account was on. Maybe you can have to check the privacy of the account. Mine, when I went to my Facebook, I have to change the privacy of the video to public. It was only me viewing.
Okay.
Now I
For
think
me,
there's some people watching. Yeah.
on my
Uh,
account, I can even see. I can see nothing. So I don't know how the event was set up as private. Maybe that's why. I don't know. We have very low audience right now. Very low.
Okay,
So
we're gonna share it again. They're gonna see it later on. We can just
I don't
continue
know if
from.
we're gonna redo the thing, because right now the way it's set up, like the view is very low, and on myself, I can't even see in my account, let alone. I think it would be best if we can redo it again. Maybe schedule it for the next 5 minutes. Just because I think the only views we have right now is coming from your account. That's it. The rest is blank. So if probably we can redo it in the next 9 minutes, like 2:30, 2:21 right
Yeah,
now. I don't know if Mr. Sean,
we can.
you have the
I gotta,
privilege.
I gotta jump into a meeting.
Mhm.
Can we do it like 3:30?
Because this one is not broadcasting. I mean, if people are okay going forward, I mean, the other.
Yeah, Mr. Barry, I guess we can just share it again because this is gonna be on Facebook and until you
Okay,
can
no
share it
problem.
and then people can watch it.
Okay,
Okay.
got it. No
Yeah,
problem. No problem. Okay.
we're gonna figure out.
I guess I have a question for Shonda. He
Uh-huh.
mentioned something earlier that's interesting. You said on a conventional loan with a good credit, so you could make it happen and then, make the PMI, you waive the PMI in a way. Can
Yep.
you elaborate a lot more, a little more on that?
So you have two ways to do it. You can pay at a discounted rate instead of paying PMI for 7 years or 8 years, whatever it is. I have a program that you can pay one shot up front PMI and never have the PMI, and you're just basically paying at a discount, in a discounted rate, and then you don't have PMI, or I could put the PMI into the loan, into the interest rate. So you get a little bit higher interest rate, but you have no PMI.
Okay, so one way or another, you still have to pay, you know,
If you
to
don't
get
put
it.
20% down, you're gonna have to pay. It's just paying it cheaper. So either paying it in your interest rate to get a little bit higher rate, or you can buy it out up front. So for example, maybe over the course of 9 years, you're gonna pay PMI every month. That PMI might come out to be $20,000. Instead, I might say, you know what, give the quote, depending on your credit score, you could pay $12,000 and you don't have no PMI at all. It's a discounted rate when you pay it up front, one shot.
So you have to do that before closing, or after you close on the house,
At
you
the
can still
closing.
do it?
At the
Closing.
closing. Yeah.
Okay, so after you close, that's it. That's not a
Yeah,
deal
that's
anymore.
it. All bets are off. I have to set
I
it up.
hear-
I have to set it up while I'm doing the loan.
I hear you. All right, thanks for the clarification.
All right, Sean, I wanna elaborate a little bit. We talk about conventional loan, FHA loan, and also a veteran loan, and all of those is like when you check the income and the credit. Do you have any loan where we can just check the bank statement or no income check for somebody that
That
wants
was
to buy?
next. That was next.
Okay, yeah, I just want to bring it to. Go ahead.
So there's a couple more loans. I wanted to start with the regular option that's on the market, which is showing all your income, filing your tax return. So that one again is conventional, FHA, VA. That's what's going to be out there for you, right? Then you have the other loan, the more exclusive loans for self-employed people. And I just want to make this notion. Just because you don't show a lot of income or whatever the case may be, we are able to mix and match income. So for example, if the husband drives Uber and the wife is a nurse or CNA, you can do no income check, like a little bit no income check, or from the wife for the husband, and you can use the W-2 income for the wife. So it doesn't have to be both people's no income check. Okay, and with that being said, I can do 12 months bank statements for one client, which a lot of people, everybody know, if you drive Uber, you drive Lyft, whatever, they deposit the money in your bank account anyway. So it's not like you have to make it up like you have a cash business. A lot of people have cash business, they don't put all the money in the bank. So I would tell them that you can start putting the money in the bank now, and then we can do it that way. Or the easier thing, like I said, is with the people who drive Uber and stuff like that, you could just show 12-month bank statements and qualify. And if you have co-signer that actually have a W-2, they could jump on the loan with you. Okay, so you have one option with the 12-month bank statement. Depending on your credit score, you could do as little as 10% down.
Great. Okay, that was my my question.
And when you say
little as
depending on
10%
your
down.
credit score, like how much credit are you looking to see if like you're checking the
You
bank
got to be
statement
over
or not?
700 to do 10% down, preferably 720.
720, okay.
And this one can be a primary resident, right?
All day long.
Great. Okay.
You also
And then,
we also go ahead.
Go ahead. No, go ahead.
We also could fund your loan on 1099. So if you get 1099s, I can also give you a loan based on the 1099s, but the 1099s have to be reported to the IRS because they do a search and check to verify that. Okay, so those loans is 20% down on a 1099. Also, we could qualify you on a profit and loss statement, a P&L. A profit and loss statement is something that you put in your tax return, like it's called a Schedule C, like that's in your tax return. But this way, we're not doing tax return, where I'm going to work with your tax preparer and tell them what you need to put on this profit and loss statement as your net income. And as long as they're going to work with me and listen to what I say, we can fund the loan on that too, which is also 20% down.
And that 1099 and that letter has to go to the IRS.
No, none of this stuff goes to the IRS. It's for us at the bank only. So it comes
Okay,
from your
great.
tax people to us. Never touch IRS.
And
These
then
are,
those are 20% down or 10%?
yeah, 20% down. This is no income check. We just need something in the file that says how much you make. It
I
it
just want
doesn't
to
have
tell,
to.
okay. I just want to
Good.
tell everybody, if they say 20% down is a 20% down payment, whatever the house cost is if it's 500K, you do 500K times 20%. That's the amount of money you have to put down.
Right. That's $100,000.
Yeah.
And a quick question with a profit and loss statement, or how, like, what's the credit you're looking for that?
For the 20% down, same thing. They're gonna want at least a 700 credit score.
Seven
If
and
you
up,
don't have the
okay.
700, if you don't have the 700, then you're just gonna have to put more money down. Like 680. 680 might be 25%.
Okay.
Okay,
All
great.
right, thanks.
And also, there is some people also that don't want to do all of that, and they want to do investment. They don't want to check their income. Do you have any loan for that too?
If if you're doing a true no income check loan,
Mhm.
excuse me, a true investment property, then we also could qualify the loan based on your rental income of the property. So you don't need no job, you don't need nothing. We just, the application is blank when it comes to your job. You don't need no job. We just basing the loan on what you what the rent will be from the property only. And if you have a good credit score, 700 or better, that's the magic number. You could do 20% down.
That's a great news. Like, there's a lot of people that have money and they want to invest. Sometimes they don't show a lot of money into their um how how you call this, the tax return, and they want to invest. So just let them know. And also, if somebody don't live in America, they're no U.S. citizen, do you have any type of loan for them? And how much is the down
If
payment?
they don't
And
live in America and they want to invest, we could do a foreign national loan. That's going to be 25, like between 25 and 30% down. They do not need any credit from the U.S. I would make the loan very simple. Just call it 30% down. Just call it 30% down, because the couple people that's doing 25, they shaky. So just figure 30% down. You don't live here, and you can buy an investment property here, as long as you have a valid visa to come back and forth.
oh, and then if they don't have a visa to come back and forth, so is that a problem? Or they can sign the papers from the embassy from the country.
No, you have to have a visa. You have to be able to come here legally.
Okay. I just
You
want to
it,
clarify that
it's a,
because
it's an investment loan.
mhm.
It's an investment loan that for somebody who doesn't live here, but you have to have a visa to be able to buy here. We could work out where you're gonna close, but you have to have a valid visa.
Okay, got it.
But you could also have family, somebody who does. You can give them the money and let them buy it for you too.
How does that work?
Give them the money. Give them a gift.
Okay. So they're gonna
Yeah.
buy under the name or the investor name?
No, if the buyer, the client doesn't have a valid visa to come here, then find somebody who does and let them buy it for you.
Got it. Okay. Well, do you have anything else to add on all those great things you are sharing with us?
Yeah. So listen, this is a great time to invest in the U.S. This is a great time to buy. The market is always going to be strong here, so you're never going to lose your money. So the whole thing is, get in contact with, this great team, that's here, that's going to be able to help you, and I'll be here to guide you through it, depending on what, because everybody's different. So I know we kind of talked about a lot of different, options. I'll be able to do a one-on-one and tell you what the best option is going to be, and then you guys are going to go and find the buyer a house. So it makes a perfect team.
Yeah, great. So Mariam, you have anything, like any scenario you have with your client and then you have to bring it up to Sean?
Um, like as I was telling you earlier, like there are so many, people that calls me here, obviously like a couple, but like they have grown kids. that's working out of college and working, and then they would like to help their parents purchase a home here. However, they would like to in a few in few years forward, like they would like to purchase their own houses as well. So how is that going to affect them since they already use their income to help their own parents?
No, not at all. You can buy multiple houses in 1 year. Nothing stops you. As long as you have the money, you can do it.
So will they be still considered as a first-time home buyer?
So I just want to make sure everybody understands this: the misconception of first-time home buyer. All the only you're every buyer is a buyer. The first-time home buyer, that term is only so you can get free grants and stuff like that. Otherwise, you're a buyer. There's no difference. Being a first-time home buyer is not saving you anything. It's not doing anything for you unless you're looking to get free money from the government. Otherwise, you're just a regular buyer.
That's clear. Thank you.
Yeah, that's only people trying to chase free money. And let me tell you something: to chase that free money, sometimes you have to jump through hoops to get that free money. It's not easy. I do have one grant program from New York State, Sony May. It's called Sony May, that they give you up to $15,000 towards your down payment if you qualify for it. But you have to show your income.
Okay, so do you know what is the bottom line income?
No, you have to just show your income. You have to qualify for the house. You have to qualify for the house, and you can't make too much. Because if you make too much, you don't qualify either. So people buying $1 million houses, most likely they're not going to get the grant because they have to make too much money, and you're not going to qualify for the program.
But then with these programs also, there's like a misconception when it comes to that, because like they are the income that they're looking for is limited. Like you have to be on the low side while the bank is asking the complete opposite thing. They want to see more income in
That's
order
why
for
you
you,
can't
especially
go
right
for
now.
too expensive house. That's why you can't go for too much expensive house with those type of deals, because you can't make too much because then you don't qualify. But if you make too little, you won't qualify for expensive.
You won't qualify. Yes.
So it's like a give and take. But I do them, and for the right person, it works. But again, everybody's situation is going to be different.
Okay.
Mr. Barry, you have anything for me?
Yes. Yeah, so finally I was able to get a couple of the accounts up to be on live. So
good job.
Yeah, thank you. It's a long way, but we made it happen. Yeah, so we thank you first of all for the information you're giving out. I'm sure we didn't get a lot of people to listen, but I'm sure they will get the chance probably to watch this video later. And we invite each and everyone who is listening or watching, to share this video, to put the information out there. The information is for free. Mr. Sean Sproul here, he know the community. He's been working with our clients for over 10 or maybe 15 years now.
15 years.
I'm
started with Mr.
surprised. I'm surprised you didn't say on Jarama before you start. But it's all good. So so anyone who is watching, we invite each and everyone to share this video right now and help people get informed.
Yes, time to buy is now. Time to buy is now.
It's now 110%. Couple months ago, or probably a month ago, the market was crazy. Interest rate was up. Price of houses was up. Now you can negotiate to get a very cheap price.
Yeah, cheaper.
Get a very good rate. The rate is coming down. So this is the best time. And if you don't like the rate you have right now, you can buy the house for less right now and refinance later. Get the better, get the rate you want. So I thank you. We just want to acknowledge a couple of people who are coming to say hi, like Mariama So. So hello to Aisatu,
and we can always do another one.
However you call it.
You can always do another one.
And we have someone is hi, Jaja. That's Fatuma Tabobo Diallo. Thank you all for watching, and we invite you to help us share one and send the information. Mukala wa share ko ne. So thank you very much, Sean. So we just want to play one video. You talked about this, but we just want to play it again. So people probably looking at that, they may have questions for you. Okay, 1 second. It's gonna be
Yeah, and
unfortunately, my
I can
pretty
always
face.
jump on another. I could jump on another one. Whenever you guys need me next week or something.
Okay, you
Okay.
got it. You got
All right, guys. Have a great day.
So,
Take care. Thank you for having me.
Thank you, Sean.
Thank
All
you.
right. Take care. Thank
For
you.
being here.
Johnny Harai, before, can you guys hear me?
Yeah, we
Yeah.
can hear you.
So so before we continue with that, we just want to play a couple of videos here to show some of the neighborhood Mariama is working on, where she live actually, and where she have a lot of houses going on in the market. Whoever want to get some information about it, maybe you just call her. That's it. There we go. So this. Wow, what a serious echo, right? Can you guys hear me well?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, you want to talk to us about the houses you were showing right now? To give us a quick. As we're doing this show, somebody just called me. They asking me that they're coming over there to look at houses. So I want you to give some information. People who are watching us live right now, do you have some information to give about it? About the
Where,
video
up
you
here?
just watched? Yes.
Sure. That's upstate New York. Let's say 1 hour drive from the Bronx. Myself, I live up here. It's a great neighborhood. We have, like my place here, I have a mosque that's located 6 minutes away from my house. And there are all the stores that you are looking for. And there are plenty of good schools in, the neighborhood. If you live more than 1 mile away from the school, there are like school buses that pick your kids up from the house to the school and then bring them back. And really, you have more space, cheaper price, house prices. And I love it. And for whoever one that's listening to me right now, if you want to come up here, I can give you a ride and then show you the neighborhood, show you exactly what I'm telling you right now, and hopefully you enjoy me, and then live up here, be my neighbor.
All right. Thank you very much for that. We appreciate it. So, that is just to, give a few information. I think we can pivot now to Fulani, right? Parce que yete so be
Yeah.
buino garden and takula.
You can just.
So I could say that in Fulani as well if you want.
Why does Mugo you to consider a puller some fala like as for 3 minutes?
Okay, got them on don't erase it. So
Mariam, I give you the.
So then I'm I'll just repeat exactly what I said here in Fulani, and then you could resume what Sean said in Fulani if you want.
Okay.
Yeah, so comme on no quand nous de comme hori donc der New York woni donc on ti la change de Medicare la change de plate auto mun la change de assurance ko der New York mi woni. It's just that upstate New York. So on ti dogging from here to the Bronx ko 1 heure de temps dogging go. Himɓe bus iwi ham iba Brooklyn ardere ga mi walliti keɓe ɓe soodi cuuɗi ɓe wari Brooklyn ɓe wari Bronx, Queens, all over ɓe ardere ga, and then it's better ɓe hiɗi moƴƴa fifami maɓɓe on par ce que ɓe heɓi suudu janɗundu ko ɓe yoɓanno kon rent ko série ton ko ɗum ɓe woni yoɓude ga mortgage maɓɓe on har koye suudu maɓɓe ɗum ɓe woni. julirde no takko amen ɗo 6 minutes dogingol from ko suudan hanko julirde école ji bus no woodi ɓurɗi ɗin école ji moƴƴuɗi hino doga so woni ko 1 mile away from école on suudu ma ɗum wonno woni ɗa wawi saninade oppi bus school bus on ɓe ara ɓe ƴetta payko makko ko suudu ma ɓe natta ɓe vice versa ɓe artira ɓe and mall ji kala kontiji ɗaɓɓata wona Walmart and everything gym ko wona everything all the stores ko ɓe wawi miijade fi mum fop hino ko neighborhood ɗo donc faalaɗo heɓugol more information no wawi la noddude ma ɗum si on tigi no mari tan no wawi arugol ɗo mi yaha mi holla mo place on hopefully hiɗon and then we find a way to get you in guys mi sikki tum pularan on hande no nidini ganda ko waɗi pulargal hande kono
structure but it's okay. I think we can make do with that. So
Yes.
go ahead.
Min ɗonna ɓe go yimɓe buyto yeɓa no haalira moƴƴe.
Pelletude miwtake.
Okay. Joni mi resumana on seeɗa ko mortgage lender jon ari kon ɗo nane yewti fi mum o inni men himo jogi 20 years of experience o gollidi e compagnie amen on almost 15 years ka Mr. Barry.
Yes.
Right. And then mo andi community men on moƴƴa mo andi en in and out mo andi ko cons and pros di ko woni konko community mo andi ko ɗum ɗuɗete waɗugo mo andi golleji men ɗin mo andi piiji buy donc meɗen mari sifu makko seeɗaɓe kadi fi wallitagol en no yeɓiron qualification mi landimo ko ndon mortgage fi andingol ɗon woni mortgage ko ñamande no yeɓiren no soodira suudu donc no woodi façon ñamandeji seeɗaji ɗe o lintani en ɗo goɗɗo go ko FHA innete goɗɗo on ko conventional oyan ko veteran conventional loan on o inni wo down payment makko on wawi wonde low as 3% on a ƴette woni coggu sundu so sundu ko $1 waɗa times 3% ko ɗon down payment mum o watti ɗon kadi ko closing cost ko innete kon closing cost ko yoɓete kon lawyer ɓen ko yoɓete kon fof legal part fi sundu lawyer ɓen kamɓe mortgage lender ɓen ko non closing cost ko 6% coggu sundu ko 500 mi a waɗa on times 6% ko ɗum ɗon hawrondirta e mum wo ɗon ko ɓe landoto credit ko low as 620 conventional loan donc mo woodi kadi inneteɗo FHA loan on ɗon ko 3.5% ko ɓuri kon fanɗude wallingol down payment on down payment ɗon sa time waɗimo times coggu suudu ma nda waɗa minus price mum o ɗum ɗon woni monthly a division of by 30 ko ɗon monthly payment ma on for 30 years ɗon credit score ma on no around low as 580 wo kadi no woodi loan go ko veteran loan on ɗon ɓe finance mo 100% a besoin naki wallingo buɗɗi fus down o yewti kadi ɗo goɗɗum sela concession ɓen ɗon ni menen agent ɓen marɓe ɓen compétence fo no wawi yewtudugo e won ɗon yeeyude si tawi a mari 3% down ɓe qualifie ma fi loan on closing cost ɗon ɓeɗe wawi darugo min négocier on fi no joma sundu wallitoroma yoɓugo ɗin 6% ji ɗon aɗa an a ittata ɗin ɗon ko paquet ma aɗa naka shittaɗamo donc o yewti fi ɗum ɗon kadi o yewti en kadi no woodi kadi loan go mo wata wallitagol en on loan ɗon ko bank statement mari ɗum ɗon apply more as fi ɓe gollanoɓe hoore mum wona waɗa ɓen uba marɓe ɓen salonji marɓe ɓen business au fait ɗum ɗon a walline 10% down ko ɓe darato tun ko deposit ji ko wonɗa ko wadde ko bank statement ma fi lebbi 12 ɗum ɗon go darata so dari ɗum ɗon go qualified from that credit score ma no woni doit wonde at least 700 ɗon sa mari buuɗi wona 10% coggu 500,000 ɗum ko $50,000 sa jogi $50,000 a jogi de bank statement ma mo wawi qualifier go ma fe ɗum ɗum haalani men ɗon kadi fi loan go on ɗon ko no income check at all ɓe darata income mum ko on ɗon ko fi investor ɓen ko only based on rental income ko arata konko suudu si tawi ɗa faala sodugo 2 family house ɓe daari rental on yoɓe mortgage ma ko ɗum ɗon tun ɓe darata ko wonɗa gollir sa faala mara golle si ɗa mari cash 20% na ko banque de buuɗi ko banque 20% down payment ɗum ɗon kadi ɓe wawate qualifiego fiya heɓa suudu ko rentina en mo haali ɗo kadi fi ko innete kon soni mais ɗum ɗon ko grant ji wona ɗin haalede non fof ko New York State on ka ko New York City. You say that?
I believe the city, right?
Yeah, it's only in New York City. Kono grant on ɓe wama okkugo $15,000 up to $15,000 ko wallitoɗa fi down payment and closing cost. Donc
if you qualify for the income.
Yeah, si income ma no qualify mo. So au fait min ko ɗum ɗon mi faami mon seeɗa. Donc si yimɓe ɓe no mari lande hiɗo wawi landa goɗɗo go windiɗo VA loan, you have to serve in the military.
You have to be in an active duty.
Yeah, you have to be in an active duty. Donc ko ɗum ɗon woni au fait. Yeah, sure.
Okay, thank you very much. Explication ma on very clear. Kala kadi mo famali wano jollo ali windiri do ni on tigi no wawi windugol information makko kala ko on tigi woni daride me wawa yugol do me wada kadi hore do quoi tu vois. Yes, VA loan ko non woni ko be on tigi wona active in the military fi o qualifiable madum wona proche family member dun non kadi hare da wawi qualifiable ko non woni VA loan fi be anda men wonbe ben ka military fo ka army be wawi hebde nyamande hara do walinal down payment hay fus wandi down payment on no mari 3.5%, no mari 5% hado buddo fandu don fayda ko 3%, no wodi conventional ligwar ko 3%, kono VA loan ko 0%. jonno hara fi wallitagol population heddi don kadi no wodi loan ji kesi kadi yaltude de balde do tata hara on tigi ko onde ko 1% wallinta ko 3.5%, kono oya 2.5% on dum be wada mo comme grant be wadamo e hore lono hara ko 1% wallinta ka fuɗɗorde 2.5% on e nder duuɓi sappo o mutata ɓe sendita on 2.5% ɗon e nder duuɓi sappo hitande kala ɓe ɗuyta sa yeeyi avant duuɓi sappo duuɓi luttuɗi ɗiɗi fi duuɓi ɗiɗi lesse a jogi ke duuɓi jeetati a inni a yeeye ko fi duuɓi ɗiɗi yoɓata par ce que ɓe divisa mo en 10 si tawi noon a jogi ha duuɓi sappo ɗin timmi hay on 2.5% o yoɓata so ko grant ɗum ɗon ko wallitagol yimɓe ɓen ko wontu condition on loan ɗon on tigi ko ɓe heɓa 2 year tax return si wawa qualifiégol fimo donc haray ko ɗum ɗon question go kadi arti toujours okay, yeah, no, I think that's the one we answered, right?
Yeah, for
no. Okay, Olandi, Kojallo Ali, VA loan, you have to serve in the military. Après, we need to be eligible for it. Yeah, no, absolutely. So, hope maybe you are in the military, Ali. No, VA loan, you have to be in the military, and you have to be army on 0%. Kono wano me yotiri on no. Joni haray facilité ji buy heɓi ke joni, okay? Ko tata hara ko 3.5%. Nedinaka condition wo ko min nyon kon ko taw hara woni qualified fi FHA loan. Ko non qualifiable fi FHA loan. Ko non qualifiable fi FHA loan ko heɓugol 2 year tax return hara holla jogi a gollude no ko goto. What is the name of that new loan? Ko FHA loan. So FHA, for FHA loan.
Usually, an example, like an example of the 1%.
1% ko dum 1%. Ko dum mi sikko ni landade 1% ko num e loan no. Ko FHA loan. Ce qui be arti tout programme keso be inni joni da way to the 1% or 2.5% e beyditamo hore loan no. Okay, beta more loan we wada cheke nyamande fere ko non ko over a period of time yobata imata be yoba automatically in the water. So
okay, like one name misal wana sa jogi wana chudi din Shirley Long Island me walita din be buso do to ma do uptown New York chudi din around 500 mil ko Maria Monir chom 500 mil 1% down payment unko $7,000 $5,000. Jonon si tawi ɗaw gollide competent real estate agent ɓe mi wawma négocier ngol darugo si wono jon wata yoɓangol closing cost ma so had out of pocket ma ko $5,000. ɗum ɗon exemple on all loan mo ɓe haali fi mum jon FHA loan and 1% down.
Okay.
Am I correct?
Yes, that's absolutely correct. Joni, I just want to, if I think video go to témoignage. Malheureusement, cuuɗi ɗi Long Island ton kadi yaltinaka wono mari am woni noon ɗo ton ɗi cuuɗi ɗi holli en ɗo eɗen mari kadi cuuɗi kadi wawɗi noon Long Island ko tata kadi yimɓe men ɓe movude ton c'est que ɗen kayde ɗo communauté ji ɗiɗi goto eɗen naɓirde upstate goto no yaade Long Island hara yahali ha Ohio yahali ha Pennsylvania wona innugol soduɓe ɓen Pennsylvania ko fayre ɓe waɗi kono buy e maɓɓe ton heeɓi nokkeli hara no woni comfortable kono woɓɓe nani tun inde Pennsylvania ɓe yeehi Pennsylvania ɓe soodi hoore pelle tawa kawtal ala tawa no woni ladde tigi tigi on tawa kadi hara hara piji ɗin welana on tigi fii wonde hay si futuro heewima toon nokkeli go a susta ha yaltugo ka ɓaawa suudu ma tellement que ko woni no seedi ndi ha feƴƴiti so ko eɓutugol ɗum ɗon wonɓe na wonde ma Long Island ma upstate New York no tumbiti kono ɗi quartier ɗo haray siɓɓe ma no takko ɗon hara sa yahi 2 minutes 5 minutes ma wonde ko walk distance ida wawi tawgol aden ma ko woni aron fof ɗo wonno ko goɗɗum no famri no kala no ɗumanni neighborhood on donc fijinen ɗo vidéo goto fi témoignage testimony client jo men wonno ɗo Queens ɓe eggi ɓe yaari Long Island.
Mr. Joker.
I want you to sign.
Oh, I took your hand to get over. First of all, I will thank Mr. Joker, thanks everyone here, and Mr. Zolev. I forget the name, Stephanie. And also, we welcome you guys to your new home. That's your guys' kid, which is amazing, Madam Diallo. And thank you for dealing with us. But what you guys gonna tell to the people outside? We need your advice, like, you know.
And I thank you from the bottom of my heart.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you so much.
And if people want to buy houses, what do you suggest them to do?
Homes NYC. That's the way to go.
We appreciate. Thank you so much. I really appreciate.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Madam Diallo.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Mr. Joker. You're one of the best here.
Congratulations. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. All right. Thank you, Mr. Joseph. Thank you so much. Hey, Greg.
Nice to work with you. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. We appreciate it. God bless you guys.
suuɗi ɗi yaltinaka fi hollugol area on that's why I was going to ask you what a joɗaki ka yaasi hollame neighborhood ma on so people will see your neighborhood man
so
do
again
you know which area is DA loan in New York or NGA close to the big city? USDA, okay, sorry, let's just see this question here. Still, you need USDA loan. I think do not take it to bank yet. The nine ka bank jongarno salad no question and then appropriate. For most part of New York, you know, eligible for USDA loan. Rural get in Fokadi 99%. Voila, there you go. Rural get in Fokadi 99% had only qualified for it. Okay, but unfortunately, we are, the banker ko kanko wawano jabagol en ɗum ɗon fi andugo ko honno wata ɗaɓɓitirgol zone wonɗo approve fi USDA loan. All right. Kono in any case, awai no dugol ɗini siko we menen ɗo tato ɓe men ɗo tato yiɗano yewta fimu. We will help you with that and clarify the the question. Don't have a question ko rural zone ko no woni. Mariam, I'll give you back to Michael,
No, I'm just saying, while we are all here, I'm just going to show you the neighborhood a little bit again so that, people have an idea about what exactly we are talking about. So again, this will be quick and, it's Middletown, New York. So, okay. So again, here, guys, this is it up here. So as you can see, people have more than enough space to raise their kids. The houses are not too far away from each other. However, you have your complete privacy in a way. And, so this is something that you expect living up here. You have your house, front yard, backyard, and more than enough space. It's not crowded as the city. And it's only 1 hour drive to the city if you are going to the Bronx or anywhere else in the city. So it's just a quick cap. Mr. Barry, you can take the mic.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much. Yes, go ahead.
Yes, I just want to say something as well. Me the program the upstate New York and Maryam Woolley on never in Laba a Long Island. However, the carry built on well time the Long Island was city ga academy and Mary Marchegi. Brooklyn, Bronx, Queens, everywhere. Kofal on men why and Wally about 50 people.
Mr. Abubakar. How was your experience working with us on your investment property?
Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Abubakar. We just closed in a house for an investment. Alhamdulillah, I was able to work with Aishata Jallo, and she's been very helpful, very advising. It was a pleasure working with her. Very nice and patient. Believe me, I will recommend 1,000 people to go buy mortgages. She's very nice. That's the best agent you can ever have in New York City.
Oh, mashallah.
Always Jamal, always respected the appointment, always showed up on time, always fighting for your side. No, she's the best. I'm so glad working with you, Aisata.
Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Thank you.
No
Alhamdulillah. Thank you.
Okay, so this is just to show how our team is operating. If you guys don't mind, I have one more video I want to share with you also.
Salam, this is to
Yes,
Diallo from
this
Homes
is another
NYC Group.
property
I'm a
right here.
licensed real estate person here. I'm showing to my client this beautiful single family house in Brooklyn. The first floor has this huge open living space, newly renovated kitchen, stainless steel appliances, granite countertop, white cabinet, 1 bedroom and half bathroom. The second floor has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. This is the first bedroom. The second bedroom has double door closet, ton of natural light coming in. The third bedroom, which is the master bedroom, ton of natural light coming in, closet, and his own master bathroom. This is the mutual bathroom. The third floor has this huge space that can be used as an office, an entertainment space, game room, or guest room. And also this family house has the finished basement and a backyard.
Okay, thank you very much. I want to also share, if you don't mind, I have one more video I want to share with you, to show you. Anyway, I think it's gone, right?
Which video?
Can you? No, I have one more video to share. The screen is gone. So meanwhile, go ahead. I'll come with it. Ko hollu go tum façon cuuɗi ko heɓanɗe yimɓe men ko takko ɗo ɗum ɗo kadi ko takko Long Island ɗo in a very nice neighborhood,
So basically, ko woni tigi on ko on tigi faari laawo ko ɗon men wallita tom. Men haalan men jonnata noon aviji amen ɗin e programme mon fo ko wonɗa ɗon eligible e faaliraɗa ɗon ko ɗon men wallita ma. No woodi hoɓɓe goo ɓe yiɗi ko seraji haɗa ɓe faala wonugo New York ɗo haɗa no wayi ko étaji ɓe woni haɗa ɓe mari cuuɗi jane backyard and front yard. Mariam Woolley en ɗon joni no yaaji no labba no ɓutti no quiet. Some people ko ɗum ɗon ɓe yiɗi. No woodi hoɓɓe goo kadi ɓe faalaka yaltugo ko saare. Donc men e mari option ji ɗin fo no woodi men boyi ko team ga hoɓɓe ko Bronx woniri ɓe andi neighborhood on to hoɓɓe ko Brooklyn ɓe andi neighborhood on min ko Brooklyn ɗon mi woni ɓe andi neighborhood on ga so hoɓɓe no Queens so ko faalireɗa wo men e marama solution.
All right, thank you very much. Hiɗen mari kadi question goto arɗo joni. Let me see the question. Let's answer that before we show. Actually, matter of fact, let's go ahead and show this hollen ndu suudu ɗo tum partage ndu ɗo tum, then we move to the questions and answers. Okay, so we will get back to you, Jallo Aliou. Joni men on 2 minutes goto men fala partage ugol, you know, sendo dugol ko woɓɓe, you know, experience ɗo, you know, e golle amen ɗen holla on tun kadi cuuɗi ko min wawi heɓangol yimɓe men. CV.
Yeah, that's why you ask me for alcohol. I don't want to reason bad things no more. I don't want to go back to where I did before. Make nobody stress me, not to stop it, cha. I sip my alcohol. I don't want to reason bad things no more. I don't want to go back to where I did before. Make nobody stress me, not to stop it, cha. Too many distractions, too many problems. I feel to run away, but I will go solve them. Too many bad men and not enough friends. Love save me, don't wanna lose my conscience. I just wanna dance under the sunset. Make nobody.
Yo, donc kadi mi falano jama an kadi o yiw ɗum ɗo si arten ka question réponse ɗum suɗuɗoɗaɓen ɗo joni ko 5 minutes from New York City, 5 minutes. Kañum e Queens a wawi seppugol yaha Queens, so ko wona New York City kono ko New York State, takko sare nde menaka nder sare. Okay, 5 minutes.
Wow. That's a beautiful house.
Yes, thank you. So, you know, Jallo Aliou, ko tokorajo ma Jallo Aliou, by the way, sodi ɗum suudu ɗon, okay? Kanko kono fal ko yette barijo, Aliou Bari. So my last question is for FHA loan. How to avoid the PMI if you can't put the 20% down? That's a very important question. Can any one of you guys answer that question? Mariama, Aissatou?
She's muted. Hold on. She was saying. Okay, Mariama.
Yeah, I could give my input. It may not answer the question right, or give him all the answer he's looking for. But however, with FHA loan, it's almost impossible to to avoid that PMI. First of all, just a quick recap, though, Mr. Berry. With conventional, when you put 20% down, you are avoiding that PMI. But with
100%.
FHA, but with FHA, even with 20%, you still have to pay that, right? PMI.
No, not necessarily. If you put 20% down, or the
On an FHA loan.
habo mi fira ko woluɗa ko ko pulal ha min heɓani kawtal ko wallita ma noon hande andi nana angulaire nden kono buyara ene tande no gasa ma ɓe famata si terme ji ɗin tiiri quoi. Donc question Aliou Diallo on ɗo ko wondema ko honno goɗɗo wawata evutugol yoɓugol PMI. Ko ɗum woni PMI ko private mortgage insurance. Ko ɗum woni ɗum normalement fiya wawa suudu ko ɓe wallina 20%. Joni noon sa wallina 20% haɗa ɓe considére ɓe ñamade ɗon nde woni e risque. Donc ɓe charge insurance fee on risque ɗon ko ɗum woni PMI, private mortgage insurance.
For how many years?
Bon, I'm coming to you. Joni noon ko ɗum ittata waɗata hara yoɓata ɗum ko sa wallini 20% on. Joni noon sa wallinali 20%, hay wallinɗa 19% a yoɓay PMI. Parce que ko gouvernement won ƴettude insurance ko kamɓe ɓe won ƴette garantie parce que a wallinali 20%, donc ɓe chargema on PMI ɗon. Joni noon ko honno évitirta ko façon ji ɗiɗi, wallina 20% on ma ɗum soda suudu ndun jogoɗa ha valeur suudu ndun ƴawa, lesse a soodiri suudu ndun 80 000, jogoɗa ndu duuɓi ɗiɗi ma duuɓi tati ndu wonti 100 000, andi 20% ɓeydiki hande kadi hoore mayre. Ɓe wawinidude banque on ɓe adda appraisal fi yoɓe ittu PMI on. Joni si ɓe sa noddali noon banque ɓe arɓe itta on PMI ɗon, jabagol question ma on Mariam, PMI on luttay ɗon. Banque on kamɓe ɓe stressata immugol no yayi ɓe ittante hari arano ko automatically ko ɓe itta. Si 20% valeur suudu ɓeydi kadi ko ɓe itta automatically. Joni noon wona automatique ko an. Can you guys hear me?
Yes, I do.
Okay, Mariam, she says she's not hearing me. Joni noon ko an noddata ɓe ara ɓe waɗa evaluation tool me dara su valeur mbedi ke be so haray ko dum don mi anda se sen jabi ke question makon so to make it long story short, there is no way to avoid PMI if you put in less than 20% down.
Okay. And then if you example ko what any sudo seta you soon don't have a valor my don't ko $100,000 and then yep irando less like a difference on ko so did anu ko a price my don't ko or normal price on ko market ko 20% on ma avoid and got no seta ari appraisal like is 20% equity on it right away.
Your line was too.
Huh?
You know, your line was making in and out. Your line now and what the in and out.
Oh, okay. Mini like
yeah,
no fala sudu go sudu ni one sudu do price my don ko price market my don ko 500k or yebiran do 20% down hada mo yebin the moins share o do mi ni hada si appraisal on ari dari difference on price my don ko market ko yebin do ko no only 20% like jogi equity my don't know why do avoiding goal PMI.
Madam, you probably can answer that.
Well, I think as long as that one has, whatever kosodo da soon do, mistake as long as you are down payment on which is 20% or higher, you cannot avoid that. I still, I fee are heavy lower, than the price. Yeah, really.
Yeah.
Well, Mr. Gar, what do you think on that?
Yeah. Yes. Sorry. There's a little.
Yeah, the line is going on and off.
He's the one that is going on and off. Reality.
Bon, MFH, I don't know who can translate that. If you have any deal you can share with me, no, not that can't avoid the PMI unless you reach 80% of the mortgage. Yes, you have to reach the 80% of the mortgage, or you put less than you have to have equity, 20% equity on the house while you own it, or you put 20% down.
Yeah.
Avoid PMI. All right. So Ali, thank you very much for your participation. We truly appreciate it. This video will be running sensitive information on could do that display. Thank you very much. By no email on the tongue. I don't know if you give the okay to display the email, or if you have anything you want to share, with him, on you can share with him. Okay. He's a motivated buyer. So Ali, you can I don't know. One of us will reach out to you and contact you directly to get detailed information to see where you're looking to buy. Specifically, I mean, do you mean hold it to the 8,084 and take it avoid that. Don't carry it. All right, thank you very much. Thank you very much. We got the information you sent. We will keep it. Okay. You guys have anything to add and see how we go forward.
Okay, so I just want, in fact, Mariam, you are muted.
Mariam is talking, okay, but she's muted. Yeah.
Sorry. This is January. What does January mean? This is the right time. No him what the W2 ma 1099 corona. So when you want to marry in mind no fala so do they put on sit down. So this is the right time. Don't you be yard be feel a tax mark don't you be no do got them endo on to get in what the contact with a banker on don't have exactly how to file their taxes because once you feel a tax mark when you kind of too late I go next year. So no you feel the take on the tax Monday. This is exactly the right time to call one of us and then go through your income and all that and get you pre-qualified. to get to get a loan. So yeah,
Okay.
that's what I have for
I think we have a video on that. Can I play?
Sure.
Yes. Jarama ko min Mamadou Boy Bari real estate brokerage mango. Haray ko andingol on kadi hikka kadi hewti ka tax din filate. Haray do yon filde tax di mon din haray meden tori on si tawi hakkille mon hino fi dabbugol nokkure ko wona don fala sodugo suudu gere humpodire men sifano on ko honno wawoton filirgol tax di mon din fiyo banque on approuve gol woni ko banque islamique utilise ton woni ko banque traditionnel utilise ton haray hino wodi façon no filir ton tax di mon din si banque wawon approuve de surtout si tawi non ko hoore mo gollanto si ko taxi jogi don si ko salon jogi don tay ko grocery jogi don whatever ko jogi don ko kala ko watta tay ko hoore mo gollanto gere famodire si filon taxi mon din so on acci ha on fili taxi din si contact don men haray woni late sodugol sodu nde hitande do le plus souvent haray contacter men numéro ji no video do on jarama.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for sharing. Min ko min nataka on toujours se yewtide do America do sida ko lady do ko ida yobande goddo mortgage ma ko ma da yobande hore ma mortgage ma no matter what you're gonna pay. So ko darata ko wonda ko yobude ko non darata si tawi awawe effort go mortgage ma noddu men kesana Mariam yoter non ko style tax ni when do no the time landed amen question ji understand why to wallet go fiye bugo sudu be dem mari all type of loan be dem jogi partner be wallet tobe me the team among is complete, you know. Thank you for coming here.
Okay, thank you very much. Unfortunately ko pretty face on tuni yaltude the video jimen, you know, next time you guys need to come up with your videos, please. Okay, I'm sure right now people started complaining already. Anyway, mi fala kadi hollu tugol hiɗe mari appartement ji luweteri ɗe mari appartement mo 2 bedroom Brooklyn, hiɗe mari goɗɗo mo 2 bedroom Bronx, hiɗe mari kadi kodi non mi ɗe mari kadi 3 bedroom Brooklyn ne luweteri.
That is a double duplex
and another 2 bedroom in Queens.
Okay, so the mari apartment ji mari 2 bedroom Queens, the mari 3 bedroom Brooklyn, 2 bedroom Brooklyn, the mari 2 bedroom Bronx luwintedi na non fi luwasi de addi en do jonno ara ko fi yetti so be darde be ma andu be goddo go faalaado ara be contact kadi kala men do mo be faala contact gol en explique na be fi majji. Donc haray ko dum don Mariam si ma Aissatou si mari final word. So that's all for me. Thank you.
No, that's not my only final word. You meant enjoy why non direct and when you by the 1 hour and next week inshallah every week we're gonna do something for you guys. We're gonna educate you. We're gonna bring somebody men at the got a partner be amembeng so do go whole process. There's a lot of people involved men at there be ending now post on no fit yet.
Yes, haray ko non woniri ko addu marden ko addu en do ko suwat watto crédit on be crédit mum boni ben yete soɓɓe noon ara e wattanaɓe crédit tum ɓe ñawlo oto ma ɓe aɓe ñawlo fonico kono ɗum ɗon kadi en yewta e fii mum en adda e wattoɓe crédit ji ɓen ma ɗum adden avocat ɓe ɓen goɗɗo e ɓe ɗoɗi en adda e next week ɓurta explique gol no gasa kadi addu en banque ji goo kadi explique par ce que ko ɗon ɓuri wonde important in the future kadi en addu e kadi woɓɓe kadi no siibude en hara kamɓe ko sharia loan ɓe faalanenogol kono ɓe ɗumanno ka différence jano ala hakkude sharia loan a bank loan, you know, I don't know how to call it. Kono woɓɓe ko ɗum noon tum ɓe falanano donc en addu ɓe no ɓe sifano en kamɓe tigi ɓe na indifférence on kon ɗum wonto hara on jarama jama sedi ɗon kadi fof weltanama haɗa toriki kadi jama on sendutugol ɗi vidéo ji walla yimɓe ɓen ɓe humpito ko honno piiji ɗi woni feƴƴirde haray on jarama. Assalamu aleykum wa rahmatullah. Mi anda joni so wani ga e hoore o makoɗin vidéo ɗo, then we take it from there. You listening? You give me the green light?
Go ahead, Bisu. Go ahead.
Okay.